So hey friends, I'm going to do something this week that I've been wanting to do for a long time. A lot of people call me crazy, but it's got to be done. So I tried to make this video the other night, but it was just too dark. It's getting dark so early, and now of course I've got a really cloudy day and it's already starting to get dark. I just got off work. So I've wanted to try an urban camp in my van during weekdays. Like I said, I am not a full-time van dweller, you guys. I'm a weekend warrior who gets lots of time off, and so I go on lots of great journeys. But yeah, I've never attempted to stay in my van all week long during a work week and make it to work every day. So I wanted to see what that would be like, see if I could actually handle that. So Sunday night was, well, let me back up. So over the weekend, I went to the Cedar Hill State Park and stayed there. Well, Sunday night, I decided, well, it's no time like the present. Let's do this. So I went over to my brother's and I slept in his parking lot. So that was night one. Well, tonight is night two. I am going to get a little bit braver and try and do a little urban camping. So I had to run some errands today, so I was driving around looking everywhere and thinking where would be safe and quiet for me to be at night. So I found a couple of spots that look promising. So I'm going to go and see what they look like now after work and see if I really have the guts to do this or not. So I know, you know, there's a lot of full-time van dwellers out there and they do this all the time and it's no big deal. Well, but they do it differently. I mean, if I was full-time, I wouldn't be staying in the city. You know, there's lots of free camping out in the rural areas that is just a lot safer, a lot quieter. But I'm going to try this whole city thing. I watch Mia over at My Life Now, and she lives in town in her SUV in New Jersey in the winter. So she's really the one that I'm like, well, if she can do this, I can do this, right? So, yep, I'm going to channel the inner Mia in me and make this happen. So I'm going to go grab something to eat real quick and go to the park for a little while. I've got a video I need to work on editing. And then I know the parks close at 10 o'clock. So before then, I will leave the park and go to my destination for the evening. And hopefully no one will notice I pull up and no one will even know I'm there tonight. So hopefully this will work. I'll show you when I get there if there's enough light. Right. Peace out. Alright, so I thought I'd come over here real quick before it gets dark and show you where what my game plan is for the night. I don't know if it's going to work or not. I think it will though. So it's a residential neighborhood, but it's like duplexes and that, so it's a little bit more of a multi-family feel, a little bit more packed in, you know. So they have lots of like extra parking for guests and second cars and things like that. So I think it's gonna work. I think it is. So whenever I was driving down here to check it out today, I saw something that caught my eye and thought, well, this might be convenient. So yeah, this is my thought, is just park here in this parking in the middle. There's a street light right above me, a possible functioning toilet. I might hop out and check that out. Yep, place to park right there. Actually, I think I'm gonna go on the other side and see about that. Yep. This is my first attempt. We'll see if it works out or not. I said I don't see why it wouldn't. It's also supposed to be very cold tonight. Very cold in Texas terms. Somewhere down like 28, I think. So not a lot of people will be out roaming around, I hope. Oh, there's some people now. Okay, go on in your house. Thank you. Yeah, I think this will be fine. I looked everywhere. There's no signs of any kind other than it says head in parking only. So I can't back in. Yep, I'm going to check out that potty real quick and just see, just for chuckles. I mean, how convenient, huh? Well, oddly enough, it seems actually fairly clean and there's actually toilet paper in there, but yeah, it's not really inviting. But that's pretty funny. Pretty cool. But yeah, I don't see any reason at all why I can't just park right here tonight. Another thing that caught my eye was this. I really don't think anybody's living in it or anything, but you know, that way Daybake will feel right at home. Yep, I think this will work. Alright, like I said, I'm going to go to the park first for a little while and get a couple things done and then come back here after dark after everybody comes home from work and everything, so I'm not just sitting right here in the big middle of everything. Wish me luck, guys. I'll check in the morning. Maybe later tonight. Stay lost, my friends.